Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: admin access to Zimbra and a Gmail account ready for a map or an app password. Once done, enable a map inside Gmail settings and generate an app password if you use two-step verification. Next, sign into the Zimbra admin console. Make sure you can edit account or global SMTP/IMAP relay settings. You're starting actual configuration now, so keep credentials and the Gmail app password at hand. This reduces interruptions as you move to server-side steps. Now configure Zimbra to talk to Gmail. Change the SMTP client host to SMTP. Gmail.com and set port 587 with startles. Provide the Gmail username and app password for SSL auth. Then configure IMAP to proxy or fetch from IMAP. Gmail.com on port 993 with SSL, mapping folders as needed. Make sure to add credentials to Zimbra's Zimbrad or SSL password. Then restart Mailboxed and Zimbrad services. These middle steps establish secure transport and authentication. They're critical for reliable sending and fetching. Finish by testing end-to-end. Send messages from a Zimbra account and confirm delivery via Gmail relay. Check IMAP folder sync for incoming mail. Examine Zimbra logs for authentication, TLS, or connection errors to IMAP. Gmail.com and SMTP. Gmail.com. If something breaks, first recheck the Gmail app password and make sure ports 587 and 993 are allowed through firewalls and correct in configs. If persistent, revert changes, reapply credentials, and restart services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.